one. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to Wet Talks by Laura. And I know you'll love the name if you know what I mean. So, Wet Talks is a platform where we talk everything that people don't usually talk about but want to know. Like why your first kiss was so panicking, or why is your one forehead kiss more intimate than having a sex? Well, my name is Grishma, I'm 23 years old, and I'm here with
Chirag, and I might look like 25, but I'm 30, and I'm here to answer all the questions which Grishma has for me, and she has got all the questions from her friends as well. I just want to know, why do you have the laptop?
So basically यार बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे,
Okay.
तो मैंने एक फोल्डर ही बना दिया. ये सब पूछने के बाद ही आप बाहर जा सकते हो.
काफी सारे राज बाहर आने वाले हैं, बट लिखने की क्या जरूरत थी यार, याद कर लेते हैं कुछ तो बोलते हैं
ताकि भूल ना जाए यार. I don't want my friends to be upset कि यार ये क्वेश्चन तो पूछा ही नहीं तुमने.
ठीक है.
तो
Looking forward to it.
yeah. So basically, Elora is a sexual wellness brand. But
Yeah.
why sexual wellness and why in this age? मतलब mental wellness सुना है, we have heard about physical wellness. What sexual wellness? I mean, what is it?
यार अभी मैं यंग हूँ, so I think I would definitely do something which is into so okay, just jokes apart, I think sexual wellness is a part of mental and physical well-being. If your sexual life is not good, most of the couples are not good in that relationship, right? And sexual wellness doesn't just mean that a relationship or a wellness in relationship with couples. It also means self-love, right? If you don't know about your body, how are you gonna take care of it, right? We take care of our skin, we take care of our hairs, we take care of our body, we go to gym, we take care of mind as well. Now we're going to psychiatrists, right?
Yeah.
We're reading books, self-help books. You can
Yeah.
see my hands
Yeah.
on books, right? But when it comes to sexual wellness, we don't have anything, man. I mean, where do I go? Where do I ask questions?
Yeah.
And on to add on this, this is a serious thing. कि यार, women don't talk about their desires. Look at our moms. She never thought about herself. She always thought about us. Look at a wife. She is always thinking about her children, and her husband, and the mother is all thinking about her children. Similarly, men, right? They always have the pressure to make money, to do things, to fulfill their family needs and desires, right? They also could not share their feelings, what they feel, right? What they go through in their life. So I think there has to be a platform, and this is a bold topic, right? This is a topic which needs to be solved. I think if I can solve this, people will be comfortable to talk about other things as well. That's what I feel, right? And when I got to know from other people, right? If we solve this thing, this is the biggest thing. Like this is the very hardest thing to talk about.
Yeah.
अगर हम इसको solve कर देंगे, तो अपने emotions के बारे में बात करना, अपनी feelings को share करना हमारे लिए काफी easy हो जाएगा. And that's the reason I'm starting a sexual wellness brand.
Jumping in, yeah. Sexual wellness is sexual wellness just about sex?
Of course not, yeah. Of course not.
Because नाम ही ऐसे है, because people when we talk यार, if you talk to someone कि यार sexual wellness brand है, first thing that comes to your mind is शायद the products or services might be related to sex therapist हो जाएगा. So I'm like, is it the only thing when it comes to sexual wellness? If not, then what are the other things that we're missing?
I think we are missing two important things. Sexual wellness is just knowing how to do things in the right and hygiene manner, right? Knowing how to do, what to do, and when to do, right? I mean, there are things which we should know, right? But there are things beyond sexual wellness, and that is intimacy and pleasure, right?
Yeah.
Intimacy, pleasure, and self-love, right? So, what is intimacy? Basically, to know your partner, right? To have that connection with them,
Yeah.
right? That वो small connection होते हैं ना, छोटी चीजें, like what girls like, छोटी गिफ्ट्स यार. मतलब उनको ये नहीं चाहिए कि यार आप मेरे लिए मर्सिडीज ले आओ, चांद तारे ले आओ, अरे एक फूल ला के दे दो. She'll be happy, right? But what a man he likes a bullet. I like a PS5 and a bullet, right?
Yeah.
I would not be happy in small things, right?
Yeah.
There's a difference between men and women, and I think intimacy is basically building a connection. They should know each other. They should know what they truly like, what their body wants, right? I think वो एक intimacy वाला part हो गया. And then pleasure, right? I think pleasure is not happiness. pleasure is not sexual wellness, pleasure is not sex, pleasure is not even intimacy. Pleasure is pleasure. Okay? Let's keep it simple. Pleasure is a form of self-love, I would say. I mean, if I have to answer this, if I think if I can love myself, I can find pleasure in all the things,
Yeah.
right? So, because pleasure is available from
Yeah.
different activities, right?
Right.
It is also available from sexual wellness. It's also available from adventure. When I dive, when I do skydiving, I would feel that kind of pleasure.
Yeah, the
Why
hit.
would I? You know that kind of
Dopamine
hit,
hit,
right?
yeah.
मतलब pleasure तो यार बंडों पे भी feel हो जाता है.
Yeah, and yeah, मुझे लगता है pleasure has to do with your dopamine. कि यार your dopamine level is like high, then you're like, yeah, this is the thing, this is the time.
Okay, something is
know.
coming.
No, I was like, you know, all this emotion, all the moments when we feel pleasure, that has a dopamine level increase, na?
Yeah, I mean, whenever you feel high, I mean, in terms of happiness, you say that it's pleasure, but you also feel pleasure in small things. So I think for me, pleasure is different. For other person, pleasure can be different because our body is designed in a different way, right?
Yeah.
I mean, we might look same as a human being, but we all have different face. We all have different expectations from life, right?
Yeah, true.
So similarly, pleasure is a kind of expectation which people have. Like what do I expect when I do some sort of adventure? What do I expect when I even do sex, right? I am expecting pleasure
Yeah.
at the end, right? So pleasure is a form of self-love. Like you make yourself happy by doing something.
Yeah. The one question that came often and often is like sexual wellness, is it just related to sex? That is a major question I had from everyone, even me personally. When you tell Kia we're starting a sexual wellness brand, first thing that comes to your mind, yeah, products related to sex, and you know, like what are the other things?
Again, I think people don't have the right education, and that's the reason they think that
Yeah.
sexual wellness is just about sex, while
True.
it's not. मतलब क्या skincare is it limited to your face?
No.
It's also limited to your body, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it also relates to your scalp skin, right?
Yeah.
I mean, आपको hair का ध्यान रखना है. I mean, एक बात बोली थी, I remember founder said कि हम यहाँ का ध्यान रखते हैं, यहाँ का ध्यान रखते हैं, but उसके बाद body का ध्यान रखते हैं, उसके बाद ध्यान ही नहीं रखते ज़्यादा. We don't care about our foot. मतलब
Yeah.
there is a foot cream, but we don't apply that.
Yeah, true.
So sexual wellness में भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, right? I mean, we need to understand about our body, and I think I would say sexual wellness is learning about things about sex, not just about sex, but also about how to do it in the right way, how to make your partner happy, right? I mean, a lot of men don't know that women get orgasm,
Yeah, true.
right? So I think sexual wellness is also a part of mental and physical well-being as well. If you're sexually happy, somewhere deep down you will also feel mentally happy because that kind of dopamine you get, that kind of relaxation you get a peace. So it's a relationship. It's a relationship with your body, I would say. That is sexual wellness for me.
Yeah, fair enough. But you know, India, country like India, where you know, even having a boyfriend is said to be, oh my god, shameful act. Yeah, वही बड़ी बात हो जाती है, and bringing up a product of sexual wellness and to a platform to people who have very limited knowledge about it. So where do we start? How do we get a chance to know what are these things? Because as a Gen Z, we all are too scared of being an outcast. We just pretend to be, someone who we are not, and we all are aware about it, but we still continue doing it. And at this, and in this atmosphere right now, where everyone is a sheep, I'd say rather, where we, including me, we all are like behind something materialistic. We don't know self-love, as you're talking about self-love as well. So how is sexual wellness and self-love interrelated, and how is Elora coming into the picture?
So your question is self-love and sexual wellness interrelated, or your question
So
is
I'm just saying, how do you bridge Elora between your sexual wellness and self-love? How do you bridge the gap through Elora?
Okay. See, we have three major important relationships in our life. One is with our parents, where we get a lot of upbringing and all. Second is our teachers, right? Who educate us, who tell us what is right and what is wrong in terms of how to build your career. And third is our friends, right? Where we learn most of the things.
Yes.
In terms of sexual wellness.
Yes.
Because we can't go to our parents and teachers.
Yeah.
Right? So I remember a friend told me that that you can also use this part of your body in different form, right?
You know,
Imagine.
if you know what
If
it
you know,
means.
if you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know.
So imagine that if you could have got this education from our
Mhm.
teachers and parents, things would have been a different way. We could have known the right way of doing things. मतलब आज हमें नहीं पता था right
Yeah.
way, right? आज भी Gen Zs को नहीं पता है right way because कभी parents and teachers ने सिखाया ही नहीं है, right? दोस्तों ने ही सिखाया जो सिखाया है.
Yeah.
And then you go and you watch on certain websites, देखते हो expectations वैसी हो जाती हैं, you think oh, this is the right way and then you think वो सब bullshit है यार. मतलब I would not call that वो आपको sexual wellness के बारे में सिखा रहे हैं. वो आपको सिर्फ अपने प्रोडक्ट्स बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन को बढ़ा रहे हैं, and their major goal is that you keep watching them.
Yeah.
That's what they want because आपको बीच में एडवर्टाइजमेंट दिखती है, उनसे वो पैसे बनाते हैं, right? अब बात आती है कि हम इस एलोरा इस गैप को कैसे ब्रिज कर रहा है, right?
Mm-hmm.
एलोरा इज बेसिकली एजुकेटिंग पीपल, right? Giving them a platform where they can talk about it, right? अब आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा सेक्सुअल वेलनेस एंड सेल्फ
Self-love, yeah.
देखो, I can't tell people to love themselves. I can't teach people how to love yourself.
Mm-hmm.
But I can show people there are people who are loving themselves. They can learn from them. I am not an educator, right? I'm not a teacher.
Yeah.
So if, for example, do you agree on that? Ki you become when you have some people in your life,
Yeah,
you become a
similar
shadow
like
of them, or you become something like them, right?
Yeah.
You have that kind of qualities. मतलब आप वो qualities आपके अंदर आ जाती हैं जो उनके अंदर अच्छी quality है. That's the reason people say कि अगर आपको अमीर बनना है ना, तो सबसे पहले अमीर लोगों का नेटवर्क बनाओ.
Yeah, उनके साथ रहो.
Similar, अगर आपको सेक्सुअल वेलनेस की नॉलेज चाहिए, अगर आपको जानना है कि एग्जैक्टली सेल्फ लव होता क्या है, राइट? आपको वैसा नेटवर्क चाहिए. मतलब आज भी हम जब भी मैट देखते हैं, राइट? वो गीत, वो आदित्य, राइट? मतलब
Yeah.
क्रेजी मैन है, वो अलग ही वाइब्स आती हैं यार कि वो बंदे अपने मतलब वो गीत कितना प्यार करती थी अपने आप से, राइट?
Mhm.
एक मेजर हिट, राइट?
And-
और वो फिर उसके बाद आदित्य वैसा बन गया, राइट?
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक जेन ज़ी की लाइफ सिमिलर है. एक मेजर हिट और वो डाउन चले जाते हैं.
Yeah.
क्योंकि लाइफ में एक्सपेक्टेशंस इतनी ज्यादा है, राइट?
Mhm.
मतलब इतना कंपटीशन है, इतनी एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, एंड देन दे ऑलवेज फील इन FOMO. they always stay in FOMO कि यार
Yeah.
मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे ये भी करना है,
सब
मुझे ये भी
करना
करना है,
है.
सब करना है मुझे, राइट? They don't know. I mean, आपने एक लाइन बोली थी यार, like I think वही FOMO शोर्स वाली लाइन, राइट?
Yeah.
कि you know what you want,
You know
but you don't know what you need.
Yes.
So similarly, Gen Zs are on this page कि यार they know what they want, but they don't know what they need, right?
Yeah.
So figuring out what they need in terms of sexual wellness
yeah.
and self-love, that is what Elora is doing, and we are exactly doing by building the right products, by having a community where you can talk about it, where people will not judge you for this, because we are all scared from the judgment.
Yes.
अगर
true,
जजमेंट
yeah.
नहीं होती तो हम बात कर लेते यार. आई मीन पेरेंट्स की जजमेंट ये है कि वहाँ जा ही नहीं सकते हैं, वहाँ तो थप्पड़ पड़ती है, सिंपल सी बात है. वहाँ
चाहते.
कि यार तुम क्या कर रहे हो अपनी जिंदगी में, बेटा इस पे ध्यान कम दो.
उसके बारे में
उसके बारे में
मत.
सोचना ही नहीं है, ठीक है?
गंदी बातें
ये
हो.
गंदी चीजें होती हैं. टीचर्स के पास जाओगे, हम आपको यही पढ़ा रहे हैं, मतलब यार और भी चैप्टर्स है बुक्स के अंदर.
इकोनॉमी के बारे में
इकोनॉमी
पढ़ो.
पढ़ो, मैथ पढ़ो, साइंस पढ़ो. मैथ तुम्हें आता नहीं है बट तुम्हारा ये बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
जानना है तुम्हें.
सीरियसली यार, मतलब
And
अगर फ्रेंड्स
उनको भी
भाई साहब.
उनको भी इतना ही पता है जितना तुम लोगों को पता है.
उनको भी वही पता है जितना तुमको पता है,
For sure.
और अगर तुमने उनको थोड़ा ज्यादा बताया तो तुम्हारी खैर नहीं
Yeah.
है.
फिर तुम बनोगे the
हाँ.
OG of
एग्जैक्टली, फिर तुम HP बन जाओगे ऑन दी
ग्रुप का वो बंदा जो सिर्फ ही काम करता है.
नहीं HP बन जाओगे कॉफी विद करण वाले शो पे. इफ यू नो
Yeah.
मतलब लोग तुम्हारा बहुत बुली कर रहे हैं, मजाक उड़ाएंगे.
Yeah.
तो आई थिंक जजमेंट ही यही है. आई थिंक
यही
जजमेंट की वजह से लोग बात नहीं करते हैं. सो वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक दैट जजमेंट. वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव देम अ प्लेटफॉर्म. यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट.
Yeah.
You want not to be judged
Judged,
for this,
yes.
but will you judge others?
No.
Right? Exactly. There are people like you, right? I started this because I thought कि यार there is a platform required.
Mhm.
I don't want to be judged for this.
Yeah.
Similarly, I don't want to judge others. I don't judge others for this. And there are friends who talk to me in this space, right?
Yeah.
They talk to me because they felt comfortable, right? They feel like I have better knowledge, right?
Yeah.
So because I've learned by reading it, I've learned by seeing others, I've learned by watching many videos, literally many videos, how to do things in the right way. I don't watch porn at all because I know it's very bad for your mental health.
Yeah, and plus it's misleading. Like
It's misleading.
Yeah.
I mean, no one can survive for 30-40 minutes if you have. I mean, there are ways, but foreplay is the best part, right? I mean,
Yeah.
you can't survive. A man cannot survive for 30-40 minutes on, continually doing strokes. So वो चीजें हैं, मतलब I think there's a lot of taboo around it.
Yeah,
which needs to be
and even the recent dating culture that is going on around Gen Z, कि यार hookup culture ज़्यादा ही हो रहा है, and people are having the mental breakdowns. I have few friends who kind of had a very bad time when it comes to relationship, and they broke down mentally. They're like, शायद मेरी गलती है, it's me who is the problem, and that is why this is not working out. But at the end of the day, it's not. You are not the problem. It's not we who are the problem. We just don't know stuff. The incompetency of knowledge is the problem यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
And I think the dating culture, the culture we're surrounded with right now, we're trying to be someone else. It's like a trap. तो पता ही नहीं चल रहा what is the right question, what is the right platform, कहाँ जाए, क्या करे, किससे बात करे. As you told, किसी से बात कर ही नहीं पाएंगे इस situation में. ऐसे तो we all will go to the downhill again. पता ही नहीं कहाँ जाना है फिर.
I think, have you fallen in love?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, cool. Do you believe that one of the best feeling in this world is falling in love?
Yes.
You become a different person altogether.
True.
Suddenly you have someone, like तुम उनके लिए अपनी जान दे सकते हो, उनके लिए सब कुछ कर सकते हो, right? Like
हाँ.
you start taking care of others. जो इंसान अपने कपड़े यहाँ फेंक रहा है, कुछ कर रहा है, like कुछ भी चल रहा है जिंदगी में, but for that particular person, he or she wants to do everything for him.
True.
Right? तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? What do you think?
Okay. I was supposed to ask the questions, Okay. I don't know. Basically, we like the feeling being in love, or I don't know. It happens. You just like doing those stuff for them.
But do you believe that love, when you fell in love, right? Like everything goes blank,
Yes.
right? You believe that.
Yeah.
What dating culture is doing that? It is asking you to love again and again, but not that kind of love when you go blank. That love, right? Which is a kind of lust, which is a kind of seeking validation, asking for fulfilling needs, expectation in terms of sugar daddy, sugar mommy.
Oh yeah.
Right? Right? I have a lot of Gen Z's friend. I remember a girlfriend. She told me that she wants to have a sugar
daddy, yeah.
Right? And a guy friend who wants
A sugar
to
mom.
have sugar
Okay.
mommy, right? So I think people are not looking for love anymore. People are looking for they need. I mean,
Yeah.
people are looking for their wants. Like
Yeah,
I think their
wants,
desires,
yeah,
right?
their desires.
कि यार उन्हें iPhone लेना आप खुद तो खरीद नहीं सकते यार, कोई
Sugar mommy मिल जाए.
ठीक है यार, विंटर सीजन आ रहा है तो कफिंग स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. क्रेजी यार. बेंचिंग, कफिंग, सिचुएशनशिप, स्लैंग्स तो इतने सारे बनाने. देखो यार, सब कुछ ये पहले होता था, स्लैंग्स नहीं थे, राइट? बट आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ स्लैंग्स नाउ they are celebrating this.
Yeah.
अर्ली पहले ये सेलिब्रेट नहीं होता था. इट इज एज सिंपल एज इट इज, राइट? मतलब लोगों को प्यार होता था, हार्ट ब्रेक होते थे, एंड इसीलिए वो जब गाने होते थे ना इमरान हाशमी के,
Oh my God, yeah.
बहुत चलते थे. आज इमरान हाशमी सैड सॉन्ग बना रहा है, फिर भी नहीं चलते वो. क्यों? क्योंकि लोगों को चाहिए नहीं, लोगों को चाहिए टेक्नो. You know, that validations people are seeking,
Yeah.
वो desires चाहिए उनको. तो वो लव सीकिंग वाला जो रिलेशनशिप है वो people भूल चुके हैं. And dating culture wants that. मतलब एस्ट्रोडॉग कितने भी एड्स रन कर ले, चाहे कि यार तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड तुम्हारे पास वापसी आने वाली नहीं आ जाएगी, बट नहीं आएगी, प्लीज. उसके लिए एस्ट्रोडॉग यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I mean, let me say this line again. एक बहुत ही फेमस एस्ट्रो ऐप है जो आपको बोलता है कि आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड वापसी आ जाएगी आपके पास
6 दिन में.
अगर आप कंसल्टेशन लोगे, बट एक्चुअली में ऐसा नहीं होता. आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड आपके पास नहीं आने वाली है. वो उसको जाना था, वो चली गई है. तू क्यों रो रहा है भाई? आगे बढ़.
आगे बढ़ो भाई. And wait, what I forgot. But yeah, I was going to say something. Yeah, the Millie Bobby Brown. She got married like few years ago, and she said this one thing. When media asked her, why did you get married so young? She said that when I fell in love with him, I fell in love with me a bit more. And that hit, I feel to fall in love with someone is to fall in love with yourself. And similarly, it goes with sexual education or sexual wellness. It's about knowing yourself, what your needs are. Because with the noise that is created around, I think कि we don't know exactly हमें चाहिए क्या. We don't know our needs only. कि we just thinking कि उसको ये चाहिए तो शायद मुझे भी यही चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
तो we all are faking it. We all are pretending कि यार this is the thing we want. हालांकि वो हमें चाहिए भी नहीं. That is not what makes us happy, or that is not what pleasure means to us, but हाँ फिर भी यही चल रहा है.
Actually pleasure की definition change हो गई अब. Pleasure क्या होता है ना, earlier we used to think यार if it's long term, peaceful, satisfied, happy feeling, it's pleasure, right? लोग ऐसा pleasure ढूंढते थे. अभी क्या है? Instant pleasure.
Yeah.
I want now.
फिर जिनी से ही नो चिरा गया है. No, I mean the snap of fingers सब change हो रहा है.
हाँ मतलब इसको रगड़ा और आ गया. मतलब हर कोई दिल में सीख रहा है कि यार ये हो गया तो ये हो जाएगा, मेरी लाइफ मस्त होगी, राइट?
Yeah.
और उनको इंस्टेंट चाहिए, एंड देयरफॉर इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन इज वर्किंग. मतलब अगर मैं एक सीरियस टॉपिक लेके आऊँ कि यार इन इंडिया डिले कॉन्डम्स सबसे ज्यादा बिकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि इंस्टेंट सेटिस्फेक्शन चाहिए. बट किसी ने कभी चेक किया कि उस कॉन्डम में है क्या जिससे वो डिले रह रहे हैं, या डिले स्प्रेस में है क्या? दे शुड आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है यार मतलब जो आपको डिले कर देगी, अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू आर फिट. आप अपने स्टैमिना पे काम करो ना यार. क्यों नहीं करते आप अपने स्टैमिना पे काम? मतलब आप भाग सकते नहीं, आप रनिंग नहीं कर सकते, बट आपको बेड पे रनिंग करनी है, राइट? तो मतलब कैसे करोगे यार अगर स्टैमिना ही नहीं है तो it is a part of fitness, and fitness if you are fit, I'm sure that you'll be very good on bed as well, but आपको तब ये समझना है कि इसको सही करने का तरीका क्या है, राइट? क्योंकि कोई भी आदमी 30-40 मिनट नहीं है तो आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन गलत है. तो एलोरा आपको ये सिखाएगा कि basically how to have the right expectations.
Yeah, and plus I feel we need a platform कि यार जो हमें बताए कि what is the right question to ask, क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं है कि what is the right question. जवाब तो वैसे भी मिल जाएगा if you ask the right question. एंड ना ही हमें राइट बचपन से इफ यू नो ग्रोइंग अप, जब भी हम कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे किसी से भी दैट लाइक या तो उसके बारे में वो बात नहीं करेंगे या तो लोग हमें जज करेंगे, मेक अस फील बैड अबाउट आस्किंग दैट क्वेश्चन, ऐसे गैस राइटिंग टाइप. एंड फिर दे मेक अस फील सो स्मॉल कि यार हम कभी फिर से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे नहीं. एंड देन वी डू द सेम थिंग फॉर पीपल हु आर आस्किंग सेम क्वेश्चन टू अस. लाइक द फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप में जो भी बात होती है, व्हाट वी टॉक अबाउट, this is also personal हो जाता है ना कि we tell exactly how we feel, and at the end of the day when we are resting we remember कि वो you know play replay हो जाता है, then like क्यों ही पूछा यार, वो खामखा जज कर रहे होंगे अभी हमें. And you told about FOMO, yeah, that is the main thing शायद. I think that is why Gen Z people are kind of too scared to you know not do anything. They're like सब try करेंगे. And I think Ellora builds a perfect platform there कि यार coming up there. How do you find the platform though? How do you find the platform?
You can simply search Ellora on Instagram. We have a community over there, and there is also a WhatsApp link to our community. You can join our WhatsApp community. In WhatsApp community, you can also raise your questions. On Instagram, you can DM us. We will answer those questions to you. And your identity is perfectly, you know, we will not anyway. No one will be able to see who you are and you know what kind of question you are asking. Unless we have a community where you can also open about your identity as well, if you are comfortable with that. If you are not comfortable, we respect your privacy. So you can also join Discord, right? And there you can ask all the questions you have, and people will answer it. It's not just Ellora. People will like the people who have the right knowledge, they will answer you.
I think even the podcast that we're having is the best way. And it's not like we don't want experts here. We want people. And guys, if you want to be part of this podcast, I just want to let you know that please DM us. We want people to come over here and talk about it, because I think we all want to start, but we want someone else to take the first step. And that is a bad thing that Gen Z people are following. यार हमें करना तो है, हमें ये YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करना है, but किस कोई और पहले कर दे फिर हम करेंगे उसके बाद. जब माँ पूछती पता बचपन में अगर तेरा दोस्त कुएं में कूद देगा तभी तो तू कूदेगा क्या? नहीं, यस, जब कोई लेगा स्टेप तभी हम लेंगे स्टेप, उससे पहले लेंगे ही नहीं.
I think मैं इसको एक और तरीके से डालता हूँ कि देखो अगर तुम मेल हो, मैं सुना है राइट, तो मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ कि if you are really serious on, if you have the guts to talk on this, come on this platform, because यार देखो what it will take for you to come on this platform, nothing just a DM, but for other people who would learn from you, they will follow you, they will admire you, you will be their inspiration कि यार इस बंदे ने मुझे ये सिखा दिया.
Plus, I think, you know, the more the people, the more the talks. क्योंकि, see, the talks that we are having right now is just about our knowledge. जितना limited knowledge है हमारे पास. We want people to come up here and tell कि यार, you know, you missed these points, you missed that points, you did not cover this. And I'm very honest यहाँ कि we don't know a lot of stuff.
Exactly, एक topic है जैसे for example, मैंने ना कितने वीडियोस देख लिए, right? कोई बोलता है masturbation is right, कोई बोलता है masturbation is wrong, कोई बोलता है हर दिन masturbate करो, कोई बोलता है हफ्ते में एक बार करो, कोई बोलता है मास्टरबेशन करने से साइज इंक्रीज होता है, कोई बोलता है मास्टरबेशन करने से स्टैमिना कम होता है. क्या चल क्या रहा है यार मार्केट में मतलब.
सब लोगों के you watched that movie called Oh My God Part 2?
Yeah.
It was about the guy who, you know,
Exactly. After watching that movie, I understood that कि actually that was the moment I realized कि यार इंडिया कितना पीछे है इस टॉपिक में.
Yeah.
Right? उस मूवी को बैन कर रहे थे इस वजह से. I mean,
Yeah.
imagine. तो I feel that कि this is high time that we need a brand in this category and we are here for that.
Yeah, that is awesome. And plus, I feel the knowledge is not just about, you know, educating others, or it's even understanding yourself. I think self-understanding is the major part, and that is what Ellora is trying to do. I'm really happy to be part of this. So that's all. If you have any more questions, you can drop it in comment section. Follow us. Let's grow this community because Ellora के pronounce जो है ना हमने सोचा है कि it is you and yours. Pronounce इसके वही है, you and yours. So come on, let's join this community. Let's make this big. Any last words?
I think no shame in your game. That's a tagline.
Right on. So then I'll see you guys. Bye bye.